What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP, man. We inside the Grand Marquis. That's my little boy right there. Say what's happening.
What's up?
A lot of people been asking me when is the car going to be ready and what show will it be at. I don't know when it's going to be ready. I don't know what show it's going to be at. One thing that I do know is I do have a deadline. My family reunion was going to be at the end of July because I told my uncle I was going to have my car ready and he's been waiting to see it, so that's something for me to shoot for. As of right now, I just been kind of using this DD Audio 6.5, but my car actually takes 5x7s or 6x8, whatever you want to call it. So I went and got some speakers, man, just something to get by. Speakers, the KS series. Not nothing too crazy, just something literally just to throw inside the door so I don't have to run around with this 1.6.5 sitting in the floorboard. So the Stinger Horizon 12, we need to go ahead and test that to see where does it clip on the high level speaker side. I'm pretty sure RCA level is going to be able to go all the way up, but we're not putting a 4-channel amp on it because we just hooking up door speakers directly to the deck. So we need to test high level, 40 hertz and 1000 kilohertz. Let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so right here we got the oscilloscope, and I took the positive and negative speaker wires off the 6.5, took our test leads, put them in there, and that's going directly to the passenger side speaker right over there. This radio goes up to 40. I do know we might not be able to go all the way to 40 on the high level speaker side. So we got a 40 hertz test tone. We're gonna press play, and we're gonna start at volume 8 and just kind of go up and see what that meter look like. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Let's change the range on that. Now 28, but 28 is not bad. That's 29. I think 28, 28 still straight. That's like soft clip. That's like one step past a soft clip. That right there is too much for me. That's volume 30. So yeah, and then of course if you turn it all the way up, that's 40. That's squared off. So we don't want that. I'm safe with 28. So now we did that on 40 hertz. I want to do that on 1000 hertz just to be on the safe side to make sure that we read the same thing. Shout out to Decaf for the test tones. That is his golden USB. I had to go ahead and support one time for the OG. Now we're definitely have to change the range on this because that's 1000. There we go. Now we can see it good. All right, so this is 1000 hertz, and let's go ahead and go up to number 28 where I was at. Yeah, that's 27, 28. So 28 would be the absolute max that I would play it. All right, so for those who don't know, high level and low level are two totally different things, right? When we're testing high level stuff, that's straight speaker wire output coming directly from the radio. And the AC volts is usually a higher number.
Here's a question.
Yeah, I know what it is. We were to test AC volts. Matter of fact, let me change it from the O-scope to AC volts so y'all can read what the AC volts is at 28. 10.46, let's just call that 10.46 AC volts on 1000 hertz. Find the equation, put that up to let y'all know what the RMS power is coming out of that radio with the car crunk up at volume 28, which is going to be soft clip, and we'll probably do volume 27 just to see what that number is, so you see kind of how much power it is from 27 to 28. But now that we know we're not going past 28, I found that level. It's time to go ahead and hook the speakers up. So what I did is I went ahead and took some 16 gauge speaker wire. I ran it through the boot. I got it coming out right here. Now with this, I ain't gonna do nothing crazy. I'm not finna solder no wires directly to it, heat shrink it like how I usually do, because this is not the final install. This is the just get by install. So that does mean fade connectors, hook them holes up, screw it in, see what it sound like.
Soon as they want something, they all nice. For them get left if they ain't move right. Remember them nights, no beans and no rice. I just want genuine and pure vibes. I'm on that walker whining all night. Just let me talk my diesel. I just want smoke, be peaceful. Don't pray for me, it's alright. Soon as they want something, they for them get left if they ain't move right. Remember them nights, no beans and no gallus, and that is real gallus.
I ain't gonna lie, It's probably one of the quickest videos that I've done because I'm literally just hooking up speakers. It's not nothing super duper detailed or nothing like that. Now, what I will do is see about getting an RCA from the radio to the amp that we had and see what 500 watts on them top do. Let's get to it. Alright y'all, so that's about it. Real quick video, just swapping the speakers out. Had to do a quick little bass demo, getting really excited about the potential of this vehicle. So these are just for right now speakers, the Kicker KS 6x8, 5x7, whatever you want to call it. It sounds pretty good just coming off the radio, so I'm pretty impressed with that. Now, the actual speakers that I want to put inside the car are going to be 4 8s, 4 6.5s, and about 8 tweeters. So it's going to be 4 tweeters in each pillar and 2 8s and 2 6.5s in each door. Of course, we're going to sound deadenate the front part. We're probably going to do like some sound shield, and on the inner skin or the outer skin that actually touches the door, probably do some of that liquid sound deadener from second skin and put some sound shield over that as well, so everything is deadened. I'll probably do all the doors like that, even though we won't do speakers in the back because the steel cage is so right up to the door frame, you can't put no speakers, you can't even put a door panel back on. The next step is to get some amplifiers in here on the sub. So we're going to take that amp off of that power supply and get 2 amplifiers, one for the bottom 8, one for the top 8, and then we're going to actually run them to the battery so we can actually see more of the potential of what the car actually has. But as of right now, it's just the next step to getting everything road ready so I can show my uncle my car. Next time, it's your boy JP signing out. God bless y'all. Peace.